Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce me Ahmad Nur Sufyan Sauri, representative of Group 5, Adi Kurniawan and Rivaldi from class 2 SA1. Here our group will explain our ISAS entitled Insertion Source in Bukalapak. First of all, I will explain the algorithm. First, set the value of the counter to 1. Second, display the counter. Third, increment counter by 1. Fourth, if counter less than equal to 10, go to step 2. In the insertion sort method, the thing we describe is finiteness, definiteness, input, output, and effectiveness. The second is the data structure. Insertion sort is a sorting technique by comparing the first two data in the array, then comparing the data for the next array whether is in the right place. The insertion sort algorithm is like the process of sorting the card in our hands. In the third slide, I will explain the difference between insertion sort, bubble sort, and selection sort. Insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works similar to the way you sort playing a card in your hand. The array is visual split into sorted and unsorted part. Value from the unsorted part are picked and placed at the correct position in the sorted part. Insertion sort has a quadratic order of growth and therefore use sorting small is list only. Well, bubble sort, the sort is one of the simpler algorithm. This algorithm, similar to insertion sort, has a quadratic order of growth and therefore suitable for sorting small list only. The algorithm works by rapidly scanning through the list, comparing adjacent elements, and swapping them if they are in wrong order. Their algorithm gets its name from the way smaller element bubble to the top of the list after being swapped the greater element. And selection sort, like insertion sort, selection sort is another simple sorting algorithm. Selection sort also has quadratic order of growth and is therefore used for sorting small list only. Selection sort can stroke list iteratively, selecting one item in each scan and moving the item to its correct position in the list. In contrast to bubble sorts, where you need to perform N to R swaps in RDH base, selection sorts perform a maximum of 1 swaps per base.
Next is implementation of insertion sort. The algorithm to sort the list by using the insertion sort algorithm is as follows. First, repeat step 2, 3, 4, and 5 and verifying I from 1 to n min 1. Second, set temporary array I. Third is set G equals to I min 1. Fourth is repeat until J become less than 0 or array J become less or equal to 10. Shift the value at index J to index J plus 1. Decrement J by 1, and last is store temp at index J plus 1. Determining the efficiency of insertion sort. Consider an unsorted list of number with n elements. To sort this unsorted list by using insertion sorting, you need to perform n-1 passes. In insertion sort, if the list already sorted, you will have to make only one comparison in each pass. In n-1 passes, you will need to make an n-1 comparison. This is the best case for insertion sort. Therefore, the best case efficiency of insertion sort is of the order 0 n. Now consider a situation where initially the list is sorted in the reversed order. In this case, you need to make one comparison in the first pass, two comparison in the second pass, three comparison in pass 3, and n-1 comparison in the n-1 pass. The total number of comparison in this case is sum equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 and etc. until n-1. This is the same as bubble sort and selection sort. Therefore, the worst case efficiency of insertion sort is order 0 and 2. Differences between insertion sort and bubble sort. Bubble sort is simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly goes through a list, comparing adjacent pairs and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. Insertion sort, on the other hand, is a simple sorting algorithm that builds the final sorted list by transferring one element at a time. This is the main difference between bubble sort and insertion sort. Other differences as follows. First, functionality. While bubble sort checks the neighboring elements and swap them accordingly, insertion sort transfer an element at a time to the partially sorted array. Second, number of swap. Insertion sort has less number of swap compared to bubble sort. Third is speed. Insertion sort is twice as fast as bubble sort, especially when the data or array is partially sorted. And then the complexity. Another difference between bubble sort and insertion sort is the insertion sort is more complex than bubble sort. From the difference above, it's possible to conclude that although insertion sort is more complex than bubble sort, it is much more efficient than bubble sort when used to sort a small amount of data. Difference between insertion sort and selection sort. The main difference between insertion sort and selection sort is that insertion sort forms sorting by exchanging an element at a time with the partially sorted array, while selection sort performs sorting by selecting the smallest element from remaining elements and exchanging it with element in the correct location. Difference between insertion sort and selection sort can also be found in functionality. Insertion sort transfer an element at a time to partially sorted array, while selection sort finds the smallest element, move it accordingly. Second, efficiency. Insertion sort is more efficient than selection sort. Third is complexity. Insertion sort is more complex than selection sort. Both insertion sort and selection sort are suitable for sorting a small dataset, but looking at its functionality, insertion sort is much more efficient to use when facing a smaller amount of dataset.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Ari Kurniawan, and I will presentation about this slides 9, insertion sort. The insertion sort code is, firstly we make a public class insertion sort, and then the sorting method using an for in integer e equals 1 and e is bigger than n, and then integer key is equals array, and then while the next we make a main method for insertion sort using scanner, and then sys out Rhineland is thinking what array will we make to sorting, and then we put in what an array we want, and then it's automatically to sorting using insertion sort. And then advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of insertion sort is simple is in its application, effective in a small data. If the list is already sorted or partially sorted, then insertion sort will be faster than bubble sort and selection sort, and then more efficient than bubble sort and selection sort. Insertion sort inner loops is very fast, which makes it one of fastest sorting algorithm on a small number. And then stable. And disadvantage is the number of operations required to find the correct position of array element. For large array, this is impractical. If the list is in reverse order, so that each execution of the command must scan and replace the entire section before inserting the next element, which means it takes time on unordered data. So it is not suitable for sorting large number of elements. Conclusion: insertion sort works best with small number of elements. The worst case runtime complexity of insertion sort is O n 2, similar to that of bubble sort. However, insertion sort is considered better than bubble sort and selection sort because they are mostly used for dealing with a small amount of dataset. Through the comparison made in this paper, it's concluded that insertion sort is most efficient sorting algorithm for a small amount of dataset. Thank you for your attention. I'm Ari Kurniawan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.